Christopher Lee once said on occultism, "You'll not only lose your mind, but you'll lose your soul." I think we all must take these words with caution, especially if we are trying to explore the dark side of occultism. Welcome back everyone once again to Offbeat Psychology for lots and lots of offbeat information. The word occult means something which is beyond the realm of human comprehension, something which is concealed, something which is a secret, or something which is hidden. Therefore, occultism is a category of supernatural beliefs and practices which include phenomena such as mysticism, witchcraft, black magic, white magic, alchemy, and much more. In several Western nations, occultism has been formally studied and taught in universities. But our country, India, is yet to launch some courses on occultism and teach them formally in Indian colleges and universities. So, while I was writing the script of this video, I realized that there are not many colleges offering courses in occultism or occult sciences, but yes, I have two universities which are UGC recognized and they are offering some courses related to occultism. So some occultism related topics which are taught in some institutes in Indian universities, colleges and some other organizations are numerology, astrology, palmistry, rune reading, coffee cup reading, Namafera, tarot card reading and feng shui. There are also courses available on angel card reading and witchcraft in India. So now let me quickly tell you which these institutions are and what courses they are offering in our country. The first is Pragyan International University, Ranchi. It is UGC recognized and it's offering some amazing courses. It's offering masters, postgraduate diploma and diploma courses in Vastu, astrology, feng shui, palmistry, tarot card reading and astrology. The second is Institute of Astrology by Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Delhi. This is offering courses on astrology, numerology and Vastu. Of course, it's a UGC recognized institution. The next institution is All India Institute of Occult Sciences, Delhi. It's offering some very short-term diploma and certification courses, astrology, coffee cup reading, feng shui, tarot card reading, palmistry, rune reading and angel card reading. You might find a lot of universities and colleges offering courses in astrology, but in this particular list which I am presenting to you, these are institutions which are offering other courses as well as astrology courses. Next institution is SKAVSA, Kolkata, which is offering BA, MA, MPhil and PhD courses in numerology, Vastu, Tantra, gem therapy, feng shui, palmistry and much more. Yet another institution is Indian Institution of Palmistry, Rishikesh, which is offering courses in astrology and palmistry. We then have Institute of Mystic Sciences, which is offering courses in tarot card reading, astrology, numerology and feng shui. We then have World Mystic Science Institute, Mumbai, which is offering courses in astrology and tarot card reading. We also have Vika, Delhi, which is offering courses in witchcraft. We then have Indian School of Occult Sciences, Delhi, which is offering courses in astrology, tarot card reading and much more. There's one information that Lucknow University is going to start some courses on occult sciences as well as offer a PhD in Tantragam. I feel some people are naturally attracted to occult sciences because there is a sense of mystery and there's so much to discover and know and understand about this world which is kept as a secret. You could also check out Udemy because it's offering some amazing courses on occultism, witchcraft, tarot card reading, astrology and much more. Right, now let's consider the most important question. After doing any of these courses, where and how you can make a career? See, the best option is to start your own practice. So you can obviously start with your own social media platform and let people know that you have done a course in astrology, palmistry, tarot card reading, feng shui, coffee cup reading, witchcraft or whatever you want to highlight in your profile. I mean, it's absolutely your choice. You can approach people directly or you can wait for people to approach you. So that is starting and establishing your own practice. Another thing what you can do in order to make a career in the field of occultism in India is you can register on certain applications such as Astro Yogi, Insta Astro, Guruji, and so many of them are available these days. So these applications are not just for astrologers, they're also for tarot card readers. Of course, there are other separate applications only for tarot card readers and other type of specialists. But it depends on you what all services you want to offer depending upon the courses you have done and how you want to guide the people who are coming to you for any type of help. And of course, another option is teaching in the institutions which are offering all these occultism courses. I think in the end, I would like to conclude by saying that occultism is a field that can have its own dangers. So if you're trying to explore this field, you could be just opening certain doors which must not be opened because you are dealing with the unknown at many times. So just be careful and all the best for your future. On that note, I would like to end this video. Thank you very much for watching Offbeat Psychology. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you already aren't. Bye.